Are you having problems with Microsoft MPEG-4 Video Codec not locating the mpg4c32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. I recommend the automated system scan for mpg4c32 to finish your setup in seconds. This is the mpg4c32, the Microsoft MPEG-4 Video Codec 32-bit. A localized legacy module, v4.1, providing localized unmanaged localized decoding for early localized MPEG-4 compressed video bit streams. Mandatory for localized retro-multimedia software compatibility. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. mpg4c32 is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing mpg4c32 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Manual intervention with mpg4c32.dll is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining mpg4c32. To support our technical team and receive updates on mpg4c32 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.